and I'm just putting paint, like mixing paint, and it's going to be like a try not to get satisfied video. Like, oh, hello.
Oh.
Well, that didn't last for a long time.
Well, I am mixing this rock, and I am painting this rock, and I'm going to be releasing it into coquille. Can I use this in? Ooh, it makes it very pretty. I'm just gonna grab some from each. Just dab it on there. Dab. This is actually coming out very pretty.
It's going to take a long time to dry, though.
So,
Get some bright colors in there. There we go. Oh, well. Who needs a paintbrush?
just use your hands. Use our hands. Use what God gave us. Oh my gosh, look, it's getting on the table.
Oh, no. Don't make a mess.
I'm not trying to.
Trying to get satisfied. Cringe.
Yes, make them cringe. Mira. Look at the table.
Hashtag prankster.
Snap cam.
No, that was not cool. I have to go to school tomorrow, you dum-dum. Stop.
You got more on me. Okay,
Why does it taste bad?
just set the rock down and wash her. Here you go, way more on me than
YOLO.
Okay, well,
Hashtag art.
wait, let me see it. Let me see it.
Yeah, wash it off. No! You're dumb.
Come on,
I'm
before you
washing
smack
it.
me again.
Oh,
my gosh,
cold.
look.
Marley, get warm water. Look at our bathroom. We're making it a
terrible.
mess.
Mira, look at me. Wait.
Look at the mirror.
Oh my gosh, I'm terrible. Doesn't taste good.
Washing our hands. The sink is going to look terrible. Ow, it's starting to burn.